Oh, my battery just died. My hands are so cold I had to use my teeth to get it out. This is getting a bit much. I need to find some shelter. Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, how do I get down there? I've never been so glad to see shelter. It's just in the nick of time. Sun is gonna set here in less than an hour. Oh. Oh. Oh, I am so cold, so cold. I had to use my teeth to undo the buckles on my backpack. I need to get dry immediately. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. Oh.